Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply an inverted filter or a negative filter to CameraX preview in native Android application, as well as apply that effect to the captured video as well, captured image as well, sorry. So yeah, that's what we will be looking into. I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So first let me show you guys the output. Now I'm mirroring my device. You will have to run it on a real Android device. I'm mirroring my device, so the output might be little bit laggy, so just bear with me. So first I'll just allow this permission of while using the app. This is the camera permission, and now here you can see, okay, so it is still catching up. So here you can see I'm able to apply the inverted filter or negative filter, whatever you guys call it, and it is real time. I'm trying to move my camera. Now I don't have the greatest camera, so that's why it might look a little bit laggy. Also I'm mirroring my device, that's why. Now if I just capture this, I'll just capture this particular image, click on take photo, and once photo has been captured, here we get a toast message. Now I can just go to the particular files app to see the captured photo, and if you see over here, this is the captured photo with negative filter or inverted filter, whatever you guys call it. So let's see how to achieve this. So like I said, I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. The logic, the business logic remains the same, only the UI logic changes. Like if you want me to make Jetpack Compose videos as well, do let me know in the comments. So like I said, I've just created an Android application with XML layout. Now first thing is you need to add few dependencies. So first you will have to go to this build.gradle.kts. you will have to add this libs Android camera core, this camera 2 life cycle, view, effect, Android X media 3 effect, as well as media 3 effect. So this two. Then I'm using version catalog, so the actual version number has been written in the version catalog. So just go to libs.versions.toml, and here first you will have to add this camera core, then you have to add this camera 2 dependency, then you have to add this media 3 effect. Now media 3 effect at the time of me recording is still in alpha, that's why I'm using alpha 03, but if it is stable by the time you are watching this video, make sure you use the stable version. Then there is this media 3 effect version as well, 1.6.1. Okay, then just scroll down, then here you need to add this camera 2 thing. Okay, then here you have to add this camera core, then camera view, and this camera life cycle as well. So make sure you add all four of this. Then here you need to add this this Android X media 3 effect, as well as this media 3 effect. So these are all the dependencies which you have to add. Once you add this, you don't have to do this. Here you can see I just wanted to show you this sync now button. You'll have to click on sync now. Make sure you use 1.6.1. okay, I just wanted to show you the sync now button, so you'll have to click on the sync now button. It will download the Android dependencies for you. Then you will have to go to manifest, Android manifest.xml, and here you will have to add this. Firstly, make sure the user have a real Android device with a camera, so that's why we use this use feature. Then we add the camera permission as well as the write external storage permission as well. So then you will have to go to res layout activity underscore main.xml, and over here you can see I have added this particular code. So constraint layout is present by default. First we are using this preview view, which will actually display the preview of our camera, and here we are passing the ID as viewfinder. Width and height is 0, and here I am constraining it to all sides so that it occupies the entire width and height. Then here I have created one button which has a width and height of wrap content, given it some ID, given it some text, and I am constraining it to the bottom of the screen. Okay, then so I'll just close this. Okay, so hopefully you got this code. Then you just need to go to main activity. Firstly, these are all the imports which again I have just copy pasted it from the documentation. So yeah, you can just pause the video and just copy all this imports. Now here I have annotated this class with @unstable API. The reason is, if I just remove this, I don't really like using this unstable, but if you see this particular part, this create inverted filter is still unstable. Now this create inverted filter comes not from the alpha version of the library, but from the stable version, this media 3 effect. This is stable like you saw over here, but I don't know, this is one of the quirks of Android development. Even though the library is stable, the APIs are a bit unstable. So yeah, this is really annoying, but hopefully by the time you watch it, you don't have to add this unstable API and Google fixes this. Then here we have to use this image capture. Then here we have to create this executor service. Here is our viewfinder and here is our button. Then once here we have created this register for activity result. This is just for requesting multiple permissions, as you can see over here. So I'm just checking whether the permission was granted or not. Then here we are just looping over all the permissions. If we don't have permission, we just change this value. So if we don't have permission, we display a toast message. If we have permission, then we just start the camera. Then inside on create, we just initialize our viewfinder as well as our button, and on click of the button we just call this take photo method. Okay, if all permissions are granted, then we just call start camera. If not, we just call request permission. I'll show you this method in a bit. Just bear with me over here. Then here we initialize our camera executor as well. Then inside take photo, so this is called on the button click, so we just check whether we have the image capture or not. Then we just create this simple date format for our image name. Then we just do a content values dot apply, then display the use the display name as well as the MIME type. And if we are above Android P, then we have to use this relative path, because above Android T we don't require the write external storage permission. Then here we use this image capture dot output file options, pass the external content URI, and then we just do image capture dot take picture, pass the output options, and context compat dot get main executor. So in case of error, we just log it to the console, and if the image is saved properly, then we just display a toast message saying that the image has been saved properly. You can also get the saved image URI with the help of this, in case if you want to display it inside an image view. Also, I'm shutting down the camera executor after I have taken one image, but if you don't want to shut it down, you can just uncomment or remove this line of code. Then here we have the start camera. Here we just create an aspect ratio of 16:9. Okay, and here is our resolution sector as well. Next, here we just do process camera provider dot get instance. We add a listener to this as well. Then we just do camera provider future dot get. Here we create one preview as well. We set the resolution selector, sorry. Then here we create an image capture, set resolution selector as well, and capture mode. Then by default I want the back camera. Then here we use this use case group dot builder. Then here we define a media 3 effect. We pass the preview, video capture or image capture. Okay, and here we set the effect. So here we just do RGB filter dot create inverted filter. Then we add that particular effect as well. Then we just do camera provider dot unbind all, and inside the bind to life cycle we just pass the life cycle owner, camera selector, as well as use case group builder dot build. Then here we call this request permission method. So we just do activity result launcher dot launch, pass our required permission, and inside all permission granted we just loop over required permissions dot all and just check if the permission was granted or not. In case of destroy, we just destroy our camera executor. And here I have defined one companion object as well, which just has an helper variables like file name, format, required permissions. So here if the permission, just to check for camera permission, and if it is lower than P, we also require the write external storage permission. So that's what I'm doing over here. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can apply an inverted filter. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.